to take this modified that I got piled up here. We're going to move all the tractors. We're going to push all the modified through, kind of make like a little modified pad for them to sit on. What's happening is when it pours, all the dirt's splashing back up to get on the tractors, and I get it. Some people are like, oh, these are old farm tractors from the 50s, 60s. What does it matter if they get dirty? But I don't know, for me, it's just kind of peace of mind. I'd rather than be sitting on the stone that's not really holding all the moisture there, helping out, you know, rusting out these machines. So let's get these machines moved, fire up the dozer, push this stuff through, and get the tractors back in here. So you guys always see me using my bigger dozers, and probably never see me using this one besides just the other video that I have of me showing you how to use it and move it into the old garage at my last house. So I figured, you know what, let's make this video today showing you that this 1954 40C John Deere 2-cylinder has plenty of power. You can do a little grading work with it. I really like it because I can dig into the ground if I want. It's got strong hydraulics, but for the most part I use it just to kind of grade out things and leave a nice flat surface. So this is actually perfect for it. So just gonna pile some of the modified back up here, and then we'll start pushing it down the length of the shipping container so we have a good spot to park all these tractors on. reality of using an old piece of equipment or even a new piece of equipment, you're still going to have spots you have to touch up. So I'm going to grab the shovel and the rake, fill in some of these last spots, rake it out a little bit, and then probably just track over top of it again, maybe back drag it a little bit more. It's alright if it has a slight taper. I kind of want that to keep the water to flow away from the shipping container. But other than that, it's coming out pretty good so far. So let me just get the shovel and the rake along this edge here, and we'll fire the dozer back up and finish it off. All right, well, we got her all leveled out, raked out, tracked across. Tapers downhill a little bit over here, but I still have a lot more modified on the bed of my dump truck. I just have a few other items in it right now, so once I get those cleaned out, I'll dump the rest here and level it up. But for now, I guess we can park some tractors on it. well, we got all the gravel all spread out here. I'm just gonna track across it a little bit with the excavator and park that here. But overall, pretty happy with just being able to have a pad to park my equipment. Some people might say it doesn't really make a difference, but I don't know. Peace of mind knowing that all my equipment's on gravel, not just sitting on the dirt that's holding all the moisture. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.